What's up, man? The Lane Splitters Miguel here, kicking off Bike Week the right way at the Roadhouse in Cave Creek. Got a lot of shit going on this week, jam-packed with a vicla show, an audio showcase. We look forward to seeing what else the week brings. We'll see you there.
What's up with you?
How you feeling?
I'm great. Ready to roll. My favorite time of year. This is like Christmas.
I'm man.
Go fast.
I'm slow and furious.
There's Fast and Furious. Is that a 2-for-1?
That's the funniest tool ever.
You see me?
Look at now
you can stick it in your ass and unscrew something?
You put Geno, aren't you?
Cave Creek Bike Week, baby. If you haven't been here, you haven't been to Bike Week. What's up, my man?
My dog.
That's my dog.
That's my dog.
What's up, baby? Good to see
You
you.
know what I mean? Just do a little promo video. You're the Mac Daddy around here. Don't trip.
Hey, baby, I just tried to stay cool. Just trying to stay cool. So yeah, Cave Creek Bike Week. If you haven't been here, you need to come up here. Different vibe, different style, one big ass community, always a great time. So we're gonna go see my bartender homegirls and get them laced up. What up, dog? Oh my God! Oh,
It's so good to meet you, bro. Finally in person.
Yeah. Settle down with these sick ass shirts, bro. Damn.
I gotta get you one.
I do need one. Small. If you don't know, this is El Presidente, El Rey de los Reyes, T. Bradshaw.
I'm the janitor, baby. I'll be cleaning everything up.
Got bands every day. Last night we had a DJ out here. All the best vendors, just solid people. You can't go wrong up here, man. The bartenders are fantastic. Quality of bikes. It's just an all-around blast. So make sure you come see us up at the Roadhouse at Cave Creek. What size shirt are you? Cut up t-shirt. What size shirt are you?
If it's a men's, like a medium usually, because then when I cut it, the logo doesn't get cut off.
Okay. Yeah, you're good. She's got style, bro.
Yeah.
She's got style. What size shirt are you?
Probably this small. Or unless, are you to crop it? No, I'm not gonna crop it. Then no small. How you doing, son?
Another day. Beautiful day.
That's
yes,
right.
sir.
Enjoy the weather we got. Exactly.
Yeah, cause girls is players too.
What's up, baby boy? How you doing, dude?
Good, how are you?
Hey, if you don't know fucking Geno, you don't know shit.
You
Just
already
remember
know.
that. What's up, doggy?
How are you?
Good, man.
see
You too.
Fucking Arizona Bike Week. If you guys aren't here, you're missing out. You don't
Fucking
even know what's
right.
going on. It's already a great time. First weekend, look at this place. It's packed.
Phenomenal, bro.
I mean,
You
it's
ready?
getting packed.
You ready for some stunts,
yeah.
dude?
Next weekend, Metro Mayhem the 11th. Shit.
It's going
It's
down.
going down. The brawl's happening, and then we got practice Friday, the brawl on Saturday, and Sunworth on Saturday.
It's gonna be fucking intense.
Bikes are gonna get beat, bodies are gonna get beat, but it's gonna be a good time.
Streets gotta eat.
Damn right. I'm gonna lay all the rubber down, rubber side down, and all the tires. They're not safe. No tires are safe.
Dude, are you fucking loving that Buell, dude?
Dude, I love it.
Whole different animal,
Dude,
huh?
it's great. I rode it up here, dude. Just like getting more and more comfortable on it. Like you just gotta put seat time in on it and ride
Yeah.
it. I ripped it up. I rode it up here last night, and then I ripped it home. We got on the street. Ripped that thing right up to a wheelie through right in the coast. I was just coasting, playing with it, threw the hand off. I was like, all right, this thing's starting to feel like a dyno again.
Yeah. Good to go, brother.
Thanks, brother.
Yes, sir. Enjoy.
You came out with confidence on that, brother. I gotta give you some.
I'm short.
You're
so
like one fucking hand. I'm like, damn.
I'm short, so it doesn't help me to sit on the bike. It makes it worse. So I just got.
I was impressed. I was
Thank
really
you.
impressed.
Another happy customer. Big Gus from Cicada Audio. Gus is the man. If you don't know, you got any questions?
Just a squirrel. I'm trying
Get
to
a
live
hold
in-
of Gus,
in his
baby.
world.
Get a hold of Gus.
This side right here, look.
No.
Everybody knows Factory 47. Andrew and the boys with their crash guards, their bars. And you got the one guy who always works, the one guy who always acts busy, and the one guy who always talks shit.
Yeah.
So it's a dream team right here. Factory 47 dream team. Super busy right now, Papa. Super busy right now. If you don't know,
That's the
you
guy
should
that
know.
made our ice chest last night and took all our beer.
Oh damn! Oh damn! That was this guy. How's things going, brother? Got one, huh?
Yeah.
That's what I'm talking about.
Right now.
Keep them moving. It's gonna be a good year. Let's keep them going. Let's keep them going.
Good seeing you, brother.
They're gonna come for audio. I'm gonna be like, you have bars? Yes or no? Come on, I got a guy. Another good brand, good people. If you know us, you know we like to support solid people first and foremost. The brands are always next because the people are what makes this community, what makes bikers who we are, and keeps it alive. So remember that. Free, because you got Tito's right here.
Withdraw.
You just need sugar free.
Oh yeah.
Or you want to save that?
Yeah, for next week.
Okay. Tito's sugar free. Let's go back and see my girls.
I'm like withdrawal right now.
I don't know whose brother that is, but he's got a problem. What's up, doggy? Look at this variety of bikes. Little Cholo style, little big wheel, all custom though. I love that. When they cut the frame, smooth it out. It's a lot more than just bolting on a bunch of shit that you can buy anywhere, including on Temu. Oh, classic Yaffe, Paul Yaffe originals. It's a timeless bike right there. Timeless bike. Paul's always been solid with style. Even though he rocked a mullet and cowboy boots back in the day, he grew up. But no, his style's always been second to none. Smooth lines, really crispy paint. Like he makes some timeless pieces, and he has for decades.
What's going on, guys? Gorilla from Soundz here. Another beautiful install completed by our team here at the Lane Splitters tent. We're at Cave Creek Bike Week. As you can see, it's a great show, great turnout. So this bike, another one of our top tier SE systems. So as you can see here, we did SE 65s in the front. We did our 1400 watt amplifier, full 31 band DSP, obviously compatible with your factory radio. And we've got the SE 69s, full cut-in kit. Super clean wiring. One of the things you guys know about us, our work is top notch, right? And the beautiful thing for this customer, when he hears this, he's gonna be extremely happy with what he's got with a 4. He's still got enough juice in the tank. We can add lower speakers and tour pack, or lower speakers, and then our new 8-inch mid bass that's gonna be dropping later this season, all still on your one amplifier. So that's the beauty. 3-year warranty, up to 8 speakers, as clean as it gets.
A la madre! Damn, this guy's savage, bro. Savage. Signing up people for the vicla show. We're gonna have some really nice viclas, all different styles from all over the country. So we're pretty stoked to be out here. Clean, got engraving, really nice paint job. It's a pretty sharp bike, done well, put together well. I'm stoked. Gonna see what kind of heavy hitters come out today.
Handheld exhaust. What is Yaffe wearing? His shirt says something about his wife.
Paul's?
Yeah, look.
Paul! What does your shirt say?
See? I told you.
Psychotic.
Yeah, that's funny.
You don't know T. You don't know Geno.
This is the
You
man.
don't know shit.
Hell yeah.
If you didn't know who T Bradshaw is, you don't even know where we're at.
Come on now. Come on.
This Bay Break. This Bay Break, baby. Cave Creek Bike back being bold. Con dinero, sin con dinero. Yo hago siempre lo que quiero y mi palabra es la ley.